Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been missing for a few months, guys, so I apologize for that. Just a lot of things going on right now. The wife and I, we welcomed our beautiful little baby boy about a month ago, 5 weeks ago now. And yeah, we were busy with getting ready for him to arrive, and now that he's here, we definitely got our hands full. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, since it's been a while since I posted or updated or done anything, I know I had some videos in the pipeline for using some other phones like the Galaxy S10 and so forth. I actually was filming on my GoPro, and the memory card that I was using got corrupted. How? I don't know. I'm not too sure 100%, but it did get corrupted, so I lost those files and footage. Long story. So right now I'm filming with my iPhone, and I'll be airdropping this video to my iPad and editing from there. But yeah, you guys could tell, guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 7. I'm an Apple Watch user, Apple Watch Series 4 here. This is the 44 millimeter. I'm trading this puppy in because it was about time for an upgrade. So they gave me 105 bucks. I really don't know how much I could have gotten on the private market for this, but they gave me 105 for this. And I went with the Apple Watch Series 7, but I went with the 41 millimeter. So I'm hoping I made the right decision. I got small wrists. I'm not a small guy, but I do have small wrists. So, you know, take that for what it may be. I don't know why I have small wrists, but I do. So let's see, let's get this opened up. Okay. Let's get this opened. Now everything with Apple, of course, little pull tabs. This is a pretty good feeling, but I ain't gonna lie, I miss going through the clear plastic, and I know that's environmentally safe now and everything and all that, but I miss just the, you know, for those people that love ASMR, ripping that open. Okay, so here we go. This is the black version, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the midnight aluminum case. Yes, it is. Let's see if we got any juice. Let's pop this out. Hopefully there's no scratches on the screen already, because if not, I have to go back. No, it's just dirt. Okay. Let's power it up. So actually good size difference here, but because the screen goes all the way to the edge, I feel like, well, one, I feel like this is gonna sit on my wrist better. And two, with the 20% larger display, I feel like this is gonna be the same exact screen size that I have right here already. And I'm perfectly fine with that. I honestly just wanted to get a newer watch, and the always on display, the oxygen sensor, all that, all the new stuff that comes with it. But let's check it out. So let's go through everything else. We'll set that up later. Okay, so we got the Apple by Design, just instructions and everything that you get. This is their new charger. I know that this helps the watch actually charge fast now. It's a fast charger, and it's USB-C now, so it's not USB-A. So this is going to be a nice little upgrade. We'll see how fast this thing charges. I'm going to be testing that out. Okay, that's all that's in there, I think. Yeah, I guess so. That's all it is, guys. Okay. It's been a while since I opened up a watch. Okay, and then I got the Solo strap. And I got this actually in a blue color, but it's like a dark navy blue. I measured my wrist on Apple's website. I think it was a size 9 that it said I was, yeah. Like I said, small wrist here. And this is called the Abyss Blue Solo Loop. So let's get this opened up and check it out. Apple paperwork. Let's get this opened up. Here we go. And yeah, small size, because I have little girl wrists, just like I have little girl ankles for being a guy that's 5'11", 220 pounds, but small ankles and small wrists. So let's check this out. Let's see how this fits. Okay. And you guys can tell, looks good. Let's get this off. As you can see, I'm all the way down on this, so definitely small wrist. Let's see how it fits. And okay, cool. Not too tight, but feels like a perfect fit. And yeah, I actually do like how this sits on my wrist. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to do a quick little just setup, load my stuff up right here, and I'll show you guys the displays next to each other. So be right back. Okay, guys, and we're back. Now you could see the size difference here. My 44, again, because I'm a guy, I always thought, you know what, I gotta go with the biggest one. But I just look at it and this thing covers almost my wrist completely. It's insane how big this is. So again, you're almost having the exact same real estate, because this watch, again, it fills in the whole display. You're talking about all the way close to the edge. So, you know, you're almost seeing the exact same thing. I don't know if the texting's any different. There's swipe to text, you see? So that's pretty darn cool. Yeah, guys, so I'm digging the size. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Tell me what you think, if I made the wrong decision by going with the smaller size, but I think it fits my wrist pretty darn good. I love that this has an always on display, so it dims out a little bit and now it's super bright. You could tell the difference. Apple Watch Series 4, I've had this since 2018. I just saw that's when I had placed my order for it. It served me well. Again, all these years, I didn't feel the need to upgrade or update, because this watch was doing the damn thing. Even though it had a scratch here and there, but this watch, I mean, water, whatever it was, it stood the test of time, basically, you know, like I said, they say it. So it lasted me this long. It worked well. The battery was still lasting me all day. I didn't really wear it for sleeping, but I don't really wear stuff for sleeping just because I don't, you know, it's kind of uncomfortable. But I'm really happy with this. Again, maybe that's me trying to talk myself into it. But again, guys, I'm happy with it. It looks good, feels good on my wrist, honestly. I love this strap. The color is very nice. I love that it's in one, you know, just solo, like I said, solo strap. And yeah, looking forward to running this through the paces. Let me know what you guys think. I'll do like a little follow-up video letting you guys know how much I like this one compared to versus this one, what the differences are. I don't think there'd be much. An Apple Watch is an Apple Watch, but the bigger display is nice. We'll see how the air, oxygen sensor, all that stuff works out. I don't even know what it is, but this one is gonna finally be heading back to Apple. So I tend to keep all my boxes and everything. So I'm actually gonna be returning this back to its home base. This is the wife's Apple Watch Series 5. But yeah, so let me know, guys. Comment down below. Again, sorry for being missing for so long. Like I said, the son's here. Life's changed, all for the better. We love him to death. Couldn't see our lives now without him, honestly. I also got AirPods 3 coming hopefully in a couple of days. It looks like that got delayed, just like with everything right now, shipping and everything. It's crazy. So I should be doing an unboxing of those AirPods 3s pretty soon. And since I have the Powerbeats Pro, I'm going to compare them to one another. I mean, I know it's not in the same, whether they are wireless earbuds and they're both Apple products, so they're pretty much in the same category. But I'll see how they sound with each other, how with the lifespan, how the cases compare and everything. So I'll be doing something like that too, but I'll do an unboxing on that first. Thank you guys, new subscribers, anyone that subscribed, anyone that gives me thumbs up, people that comment. Again, I love to respond back as soon as I can. And I hope to be posting a lot more, and I hope to see you guys on future videos. All right, you guys take care. Thank you.